So over here in Jotboard by default, you get a white background as you can see right here. But if you want to go ahead and change the background color, then you can simply go around over here onto set background and choose whatever background design you want. For example, you can go for dotted design, you can go for the grid design, you can go for this one and so forth. So you can also go for these plain colors right here. Besides that, you can also go around over here and then let's say, for example, upload a background. So here what you can do is choose Google Images, let's say for example, and say something like plain background right here, just like this. Here you can see that there's some background, and as you click on it, what happens is that that particular image will be downloaded from Google Images and will be applied out right here as background right here. So you can see that this particular image has been applied as a background, but it's not full screen right here. But I can also go around over here and browse the file right here. Let's say, for example, I can go to desktop and then select out this particular file right here, this background file, let's say, for example, and then it gets uploaded and it gets resized and will be applied out as a background right here, just like this. You want to revert back to the old background, then you can simply go around over here and click the background from the choice that you have right there. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the background settings inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe